Ahoy there, cruise enthusiasts. Whether you're setting sail on a floating city of fun or a more modest weekend cruise, beware the cruise ship calamities that can capsize your relaxation plans. I'm Nautica Tide, your captain of cruise wisdom here at Cruise Robot. Let's be real, while exotic ports and destinations lure us in, it's the sea days that truly float our boats. Seasoned seafarers will confess that nothing beats a day adrift. Sure, it's tough to wreck a sea day, but we've stumbled upon a few icebergs of blunder on our journeys. So grab your life vest of wisdom as I dish out tips to ensure your sea days are smooth sailing. Before we plunge into this ocean of advice, if this video tickles your funny bone or enlightens your voyage, give it a thumbs up. I'm not above a little shameless appreciation. And if you haven't yet embarked on the subscription journey, now's the time. Let's hoist the anchor and dive into my list of 14 sea day slip-ups with a side of practical tips to keep you shipshape. Number 1, soaking up too much sun. As easy to do, especially on those fabulous cruises to sunny places where you're just itching to soak up the rays. But remember, the sun can be a bit stronger out at sea than you're used to, so put on that sunscreen. We want you to stay safe and not let a sunburn steal the joy from your adventure. Number 2, skipping the daily cruise planner. Sea days are packed with fun activities, but they all have their own schedule. You wouldn't want to miss out on something exciting because you didn't know the hours. Take a peek at the planner the night before so you don't miss any of the fun you've been eyeing. Number 3, misjudging your wake-up time. We all have our own sleep styles. Some love the early morning sea sunrise, while others need a bit more snooze time, especially after a busy night. Don't feel bad if you choose to sleep in on your sea day. It's your vacation, so do what makes you feel great. Number 4, missing out on early pool deck time. If you're not planning to sleep in, head to the pool deck early to grab a prime spot. So you'll find the best lounge chairs and enjoy some tranquility before the crowds arrive, making for a lovely morning by the pool. Number 5, limiting yourself to just the buffet. Buffets on cruise ships are delightful, but they can get busy. Why not explore some of the other dining options? And you might find a cozy Italian or Mexican themed spot, a cafe with tasty sandwiches, or even a new dish you haven't tried yet. Number 6, skipping adults only areas. If you're on a big bustling ship, why not treat yourself to one of the adults only retreats? These serene spots, like Norwegian's Vibe Beach Club or Princess Cruises The Sanctuary, offer a blissful escape, especially if you're sailing during peak season with lots of families aboard. Number 7, not staying active. With all the delicious food and drinks on a cruise, it's tempting to indulge, but remember to keep moving. Even a quick 30-minute stroll on the ship's jogging track can boost your spirits. Or dive into some of the fun onboard activities like basketball, dodgeball, or a pool game. Number 8, ignoring indoor activities. There's so much fun to be had inside the ship too, whether it's joining a Zumba class, trying your hand at activities like wine tasting or painting, or enjoying an intriguing lecture or the captain's talk. You'll find plenty to keep you entertained. So number 9, skipping the spa. Port days might offer spa discounts, but sea days are the perfect time to unwind with a relaxing treatment. Whether it's a soothing massage or a visit to the thermal spa, it's a delightful way to treat yourself. Number 10, don't forget about duty-free shopping. Sea days are perfect for indulging in a little retail therapy since the onboard shops are closed when you're in port. Keep your eyes peeled for special promotions, raffles, and sales on goodies like jewellery, liquor, and fun souvenirs. You might just snag some fantastic deals. Number 11, visit the casino during the day. Just like the shops, the casino takes a break while you're docked, but it's all open for business during sea days. If gambling is your thing, don't wait until the evening swing by the casino whenever you get the chance. So number 12, soak in the gorgeous ocean views. Make sure to carve out some time to soak in those breathtaking ocean views. Whether you're on deck looking for playful marine life or simply gazing at the vast sea, it's one of the most peaceful and refreshing moments of your cruise. Number 13, prioritize your must-do activities. Be sure to plan for the activities you're super excited about. If there's something you've been eager to try, like the water slides, make it a top priority early during your sea days. Weather and other factors can sometimes throw a wrench in plans, so don't wait until the last minute. Number 14, tackle end of cruise tasks. As your final sea day rolls around, it's a great time to wrap things up by settling any onboard expenses and starting to pack. Take a moment to review your bill and chat with guest services if you have any questions. Doing this early helps you skip the last minute rush. It's also a sweet chance to show a little extra gratitude with tips for any crew members who made your trip special. Plus, don't forget to swap contact info with those new friends you've made along the way. We'd love to hear your tales from the high seas. Are you more of a port day explorer or a sea day lover? Tell your cruise confessions and share those sea day slip-ups or golden tips in the comments below. So if this video brought a smile to your face or added a sprinkle of wisdom to your journey, give it a thumbs up. I'm not too proud to beg for a little love. And if you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, now's your chance to jump aboard. Farewell for now, and may your cruise be smoother than a dolphin on a water slide.